Today I learned A for apple.
Yay! Very good, Lolo.
B for ball. Good job.
C for cat.
So cute. Well done.
D for dog.
Excellent.
E for elephant. Wow!
Smart boy.
F for fish.
Very nice.
G for goat.
Great learning. H for hat.
So cute.
I for ice cream.
Yummy. Good. J for jump.
Amazing.
K for kite.
Well done.
L for lion.
Roar.
Good job. M for mama. Ow. N for night. Very good. O for orange.
Nice learning. P for parrot.
Excellent. Q for queen.
So smart. R
For run.
good boy.
S for sun.
Bright and good.
T for teddy. Cute. U for umbrella.
Very nice.
V for van. Great.
W for wave.
Hello. X for xylophone.
Wonderful. What?
Y for yellow.
Lovely.
Z for zebra.
Bravo, Lolo. I'm so proud of you.